I've drawn in a couple of parallel lines just to give us an idea what we are looking at. So we can see this line, this top, this area here, and we've dragged it down, and then the lower part, so from here to here.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are going to have a look at the copper chart. We are going to see where it's been over the week and where it's heading over the next few days. Okay, so as we can see, this is the monthly view. It's flat on the month at the moment, but we're still within this parallel channel that we've drawn in, and we are still within the upper high end of it. Okay, so let's go into the daily and have a closer look. Okay, so as we can see, I've drawn in a couple of parallel lines just to give us an idea what we are looking at. So we can see this line, this top, this area here, and we've dragged it down, and then the lower part, so from here to here, and we've dragged it down. So what we're looking at is this zone around the 134 to 132, so 134 to 135. There seems to be a lot of resistance around this area, so copper will need to try and get through this zone to go higher. It might get through it, and if it does, you'll be looking at 136 before it runs into this lower trending line, and where it will find some resistance and maybe gets turned back lower. So for now, we're gonna keep an eye on this line, just see reaction of the chart when it gets there. If it can't get there because it gets rejected because of all the resistance around these areas, then we are going to turn back down and head towards the 128 on copper. Okay, now let's go into the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, as you can see, we've got a closer look at this zone here, so 134 to even 133. That's the area that you've got loads of resistance. So you can see even when it was higher, when it came back in, when it did beat it, it became support, and obviously bounced off it around here, supported it again, but then fell below it. As you can see, fell below, tried to get back up, it became resistance and failed. Touched it again, and it's failed. And right here, as you can see, it's touched it a couple more times, and it looks like it could be failing, but it looks like it's making another attempt for it. One thing we do have to bear in mind, every time it hits the chart, the candle hits this line, it will weaken and it can possibly break through. And if it does, like I said, we'll look for that 136 will be the top end before it runs into another wall of resistance. Okay, let's have a quick look at the 10 minutes. So on the 10 minutes, we've got this line. So on this line, we can see we've got support right here, another area support, and it almost feels like it's forming some sort of wedge pattern. So we just need to keep an eye on it. Can it break through it? If it can, we know the 136 to maybe 137 is a likely area that copper will try and trade towards. If it breaks this upper trending line, then we know it could head lower or as low as 129. Okay, so that will conclude the charting of copper for today. If you like the video, if you can like, share, and leave your comments, turn on your notification to be notified of our latest video, and that will conclude the chart for today on copper. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.